Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the Shopify admin dashboard. So this is where you can manage important parts of your store, including orders, sales, customers, store settings, and more. So to get started, I want you to log into your Shopify account using your email and password. After signing in, Shopify will normally take you directly to the admin dashboard, where you can see an overview of your store and access the main management tools. And if you are currently editing or customizing your store, the screen may look different. And to return to the admin dashboard, look at the top left corner and click the exit or back to Shopify option. This will take you out of the editor and bring you back to the main admin area. And that is all you need to do. From the Shopify admin dashboard, you can continue managing your store and switch back to the editor whenever needed. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.